Today, today topic is Kohlraasch law. This is a very important question. Okay, Kohlraasch law. The definition of Kohlraasch law is limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is equal to the sum of the individual contribution of the anion and cation of electrolyte. See here, limiting molar conductivity of an electrolyte is equal to the sum of the anions and cation of the electrolyte. Equation is lambda molar conductivity equal to lambda naught cation plus lambda naught anion. Here lambda molar conductivity equal to lambda m naught equal to limiting molar conductivity of electrolyte. Limiting molar conductivity of electrolyte. Lambda naught cation equal to limiting molar conductivity of cation. Lambda anion equal to limiting molar conductivity of anion. Now applications. Kohlraasch law is used to calculate the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolytes. Kohlraasch law is used to calculate the limiting molar conductivity of weak electrolytes. Weak electrolytes means such as acetic acid, ammonium hydroxide. Now example is acetic acid CH3COOH. Acetic acid molar conductivity can be calculated from experimental value of sodium acetate, HCl and NaCl. That means we can calculate the molar conductivity of acetic acid by using of sodium acetate, HCl and NaCl. acetic acid values ni, HCl values ni, NaCl values ni ఉపయోగించి acetic acid యొక్క molar conductivity ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. చూడండి ఇక్కడ lambda m naught acetic acid equal to lambda m naught sodium acetate plus lambda m naught HCl minus lambda m naught NaCl. By using of threes, sodium acetate and HCl and NaCl, we can find out the molar conductivity of acetic acid. Now we can write the sodium acetate lambda naught CH3COO. CH3COO Na we can write separately CH3COO minus plus lambda naught Na plus HCl can we rewrite H plus Cl minus lambda naught H plus lambda naught Cl minus, and also minus lambda naught Na plus minus lambda naught Cl minus. NaCl can be written as Na plus Cl minus. Now here plus Na and minus Na. Sodium plus sodium minus sodium is get cancelled, and plus Cl and minus Cl is cancelled. The remaining is lambda naught CH3COO minus lambda naught CH3COO minus plus lambda naught H. So CH3COOH orally. Okay. Next, it is used to calculate the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte. We can find or we can calculate the alpha value by using of Kohlraasch law. See, alpha value is lambda m by lambda naught m. Listen carefully. Lambda equal to, alpha value equal to, Kohlraasch law is used to calculate the degree of dissociation, that means alpha, of weak electrolyte. Alpha value equal to lambda m by lambda m naught. Next, it is used to calculate dissociation constant of weak electrolyte. Here K equal to C into alpha square by 1 minus alpha. Here alpha square and alpha. Substitute the alpha value in this equation. Alpha values ni equation lopala substitute cheste alpha square ikkada alpha square equal to lambda m square by lambda naught m square. Next, C into alpha square means alpha square value is lambda m square. Alpha square value is lambda m square by lambda naught m square. So C into lambda m square by lambda naught m square equal to C lambda m square by lambda naught m square bracket 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha. See here, C lambda m square by lambda m naught square into 1 minus alpha value. Alpha means lambda m by lambda naught m. Lambda m by lambda naught m. Here C lambda m square by lambda naught m square into lambda naught m into 1 lambda naught m minus lambda m by lambda m naught by lambda m naught. Here get cancelled lambda m naught and square. Remaining is lambda m naught. C lambda m square by lambda m naught into lambda m naught minus lambda m. This is the Kohlraasch law applications. Very important topic. Thank you.